Good morning, everyone. This is my business idea. My name is Laura Camila Hoyos, and big and small problems that affect my community. In the community where I live, I can find many different kinds of places, such as restaurants, bars, clothes stores, supermarkets, post offices, and others, but there are no big malls, cinemas, or amusement parks. This affects my community because people can go to this place without traveling for at least 30 minutes. But there is a problem a little more important than others, and is that the food place or good restaurants are few. Well, I thought concerning the mentioned, I choose the food business, and I deal in three different foods: junk food, international food, healthy food. Advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are in the junk food, the dishes are cheap, people eat this food every day, and disadvantages, the food is unhealthy, very unhealthy, and this is not good for the people. Mm, The national and international food, their dishes are good, very attractive, cheap, and other expensive, depending the nationality. And some flavors that aren't attractive, and this is some disadvantages. In the healthy food, the food are good for health and order different kinds of dishes for that help to your health. The junk food, you can't do it, but disadvantages is the healthy food is expensive. Okay, this is my business plan. I have an idea. I, I want to have to take the name of the business, the advertise. I I have to do the registration, the logo design, with economical support. My business idea in general is food places. The product or the service is bring the best food to people in a food court, the market, and the neighborhood community and surrounding areas. Okay, I will start with a few food stores. I will open every day. I will use the best selected ingredients and manage earnings properly. Okay, this is my business idea. I I wait that you enjoy it. Have a good day. This is all.